Kariuki, KTN News.
Na Rais Mteule William Ruto anaendeleza mikakati yake kupata idadi kubwa bungeni kupitia maafikiano ya baada ya uchaguzi inayolenga kuleta vyama vingi kujiunga na muungano wa Kenya Kwanza. Kinara huyo wa muungano wa Kenya Kwanza hii leo amekikaribisha chama cha UDM ambacho kinajiunga na wabunge 7 na maseneta 2. Chama cha UDM ni miongoni mwa vyama ambavyo vilikuwa vimeegemea upande wa Azimio kabla ya uchaguzi.
Mteule is the leader of...
I want to stand here to categorically, emphatically state that there is no legal agreement between UDM and any other party for that matter. And where there was purported discussion of an agreement, we've written to the Registrar of Political Parties to request one to be availed, and that never happened. The Registrar of Political Parties was kind enough to write back to us and inform us she has written to...
We are happy that UDM, Governor Roba, my friend and my neighbor, thank you for thinking wisely, because you have not made a bad decision. This is a decision that will make a big difference. In this format, in this setup, you will not look over your shoulder to greet somebody. You will not look over your shoulder to whisper to somebody. And you will not look over your shoulder to make a phone call. You live freely like we expect everybody to do.
It's very interesting that we are seeing people still living in a serious state of denial. A serious state of denial. I don't know whether they have been hypnotized, because some are still in a trance, and somebody needs to snap their fingers to get them out of that hypnosis.
We have a huge responsibility ahead of us. We need a lot of policy decisions to be made. We need some legislative interventions to be made. And we need to begin to build the team that will help us. It is for that reason that we are consolidating the team that will help us prosecute our legislative agenda in Parliament, our policy agenda in Parliament, so that we can get on with doing that which we must do for the people of Kenya.
Na tusalie siasani, huku kikosi cha Azimio kikizidi kujiandaa kuelekea katika mahakama ya upeo kupinga ushindi wa William Ruto.